Hey guys, what is up? Today I'm going to show you how to make your PC boot faster. So here I have a Windows 10 with me. So what you need to do is first open the run command or the run box, that is window key plus R. So as you can see here it's run, or alternatively you can just search run, as you can see here. So what you need to do is just type here msconfig, that is msconfig. So just click OK. And the first thing to do is, since the original it will be a normal, and what you need to do is just provide it only as selective startup, so it will start only a selective one, like startup item or system service. It won't start everything. So next what you need to do is just go to boot here, and as you can see here the time is 30 seconds. So what you need to do is just change it to 5. And since we're gonna boot it first, we're gonna make a window boot faster. We don't need to turn on the graphic user interface, that is the Windows logo. So what you need to do is just click here, tick it, and then it will disable the logo. So also next we need to do is click on advanced options. So as you can see, the number of processors is disabled and the memory is disabled. So what you need to do is just enable it, tick here, and then select all the processor you have. As you can see, I have 6 processors, that's what I'm gonna use, and also the maximum memory you have, so that is RAM, in case you're wondering what is that memory. So as you can see here, I have 8 GB of RAM, so I'll just select everything here and press OK first. If you want to make it permanent, you can click here, but we don't need that in case we need to change it later on. So what you need to do is just press apply first and then OK, and just like that. That is how easy it is to change or make your PC boot faster. Thank you for watching. Consider subscribing if you haven't, and peace out.